वो सबसे ऊंचा हमसाया आसमां का, वो संतरी हमारा, वो पासवा हमारा, हमारा साए।
Monuments of India. India is a country, different states. India is a country of different religions and different traditions. In spite of that, we are living here like brothers and sisters, and we are living here with a great peace and harmony. Yes, the students of Jams National High School are selected. On the unity and diversity in India. The time has come to stand, all the Indians should stand here and they must express their solidarity to maintain the peace in India. And from this Kadapa, from the YSR district Kadapa, the Jams National School is giving the slogan and is asking all the people of India that India is a strong country, our roots are very strong and our roots cannot be shaken. The ISP Mr. Amburajan sir has inaugurated the banner of the rally and he has given the permission to us to conduct the rally peacefully. Thank you very much sir.
About that Indian unity and all, and I think people are ready to please join us to the rally. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. I am really sorry to each and every person who have supported for the rally, and I also thank the policemen, our management, director sir, at each of many who have supported the students and the management for this grand purpose, and our teachers helped us a lot in preparing the monuments and all. I also thank each and every student who have participated in the rally, and they have done a great job for this rally, and they have created some monuments which shows the Indian unity, and I also thank each and every person of Kadapa people who was paying attention towards the rally. I thank policemen, and I really thank to all the soldiers who were helping us, who were doing the duty for us to be safe. Thank you very much, and thanks for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sri. Students of Jams National High School